Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show how to download and install Visual Studio Code on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and then search for VS Code. Then browse this URL code.visualstudio.com and then click on this download link. Okay. Now I am going to download the Debian package for Ubuntu. Click here to download. It may take a while for downloading Visual Studio Code Debian package. After a successful download, open a new terminal and navigate to the downloads directory using change directory command cd, and then write this command to install Visual Studio Code with sudo privilege sudo dpkg-i and then write the package name within the .deb extension, then hit enter. Now enter the password, then hit enter. It may take a while for installing Visual Studio Code. If you want to add Microsoft apt repository for Visual Studio Code, select yes, otherwise no, using left and right arrow key. To select yes or no, press space. Now open application launcher and search for Visual Studio Code. That's it. Visual Studio Code installed successfully. Now I'm going to set up basic configuration. I'm going to choose a color theme from this drop down list, and then I'm going to increase the font size of the editor and also enable the auto save. Okay, and I'm going to install an extension named live server. It may take a while. Installed successfully, and now I'm going to create a directory anywhere in my desktop. Okay, and I'm going to open this folder in Visual Studio Code. Okay, now I'm going to create a new file and I'm going to name it index.html. Okay, save this file, and then I'm going to run the live server. Go to the bottom right corner of the editor, and here you will find this button. Click here and see. That's it. If you change anything in your HTML page, Here you will see that. That's it. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.